those are? The little plug-in air fresheners?
Yeah.
Right, is anybody using one of those?
I have.
Right, I've got about 3 of these in my bungalow, okay? So again, they're perfectly safe, but they have got risks with them. And what happens, the reason these become a risk, if you buy them from the shops, okay? You've got your lovely smells inside, like rose, vanilla, or lavender, all these lovely smells. What happens then, we take them on, plug them in, turn them on, and what happens then, this little device then starts to heat up, and that liquid inside the glass holder is thrown out into the atmosphere as a moisture, okay, a vapour, a moisture, that's what you smell, okay? But what happens, we tend to forget about these things, leave them running in the background, and over the days and over the weeks, that liquid starts to slowly work its way down the glass holder, and that's when they become problematic, because what happens, they can boil dry. So with these, it's a visual thing, okay? Keep an eye on them, and if you find it's getting very, very low, the liquid inside, knock it off and go and get yourself a refill. But if they boil dry, they will catch fire, okay? I went to 3 fires over the years on the fire engine with these, and one of them was a fatality, okay? A lady lost her life caused by one of these, because it melted and caught fire. You buy them from the shops, just take them home, plug them in, don't give it a second thought. But there are risks with them. Just knowing about the risks, okay? And the risk with these is don't let that liquid run dry, and then you're fine. And as soon as you see it getting very low, turn it off, go and get yourself a refill, a way to go, okay? So just be careful with your air, plug-in air fresheners. Perfectly safe, as long as you've got liquid inside them.